Hello guys, welcome back to Sogai. How are you all? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Okay guys, so first of all, we will try to create a zone here. Okay, so this can be our designated zone. We will take a red marker for down. Now listen up guys, because I will tell you exactly why. So guys, overall the current market trend is definitely moving towards a downfall. Okay, the specific trend you are seeing right here is clearly heading towards a very strong downtrend. The market wants to go down in direction and break all the levels that are heading downward. Okay, and if you look here, if you can see easily, there was a gap up here and then a gap down candle opened. Okay, the market created a red candle. The body of this green candle is small, while the body of the red candle is quite substantial, and the body of the red candle has engulfed the body of the green candle very well. And what happened next is that the market opened with a gap down here. So the first thing is that we have an engulfing pattern. Okay, our trade is in profit. The first thing is that we have an engulfing pattern. The market has engulfed it. The second thing is that there was a gap down opening here. Okay, now what's the third thing we need to see? Now look guys, the market really wants to touch that particular level down there, so the overall market sentiment here was more towards a downfall rather than an upward move. This is because until the market touches this specific level, any change or a trend reversal in the market isn't going to be that easy at all. Okay guys? So it's very important for us to carefully observe these things as well. Okay, let me just change the chart now and we will look to place another trade. Okay guys, but before that, I really want to tell you something important. I'm not a professional financial advisor, and this is just my own personal research. The trades I show you are the ones I do according to my own analysis. I'm absolutely not recommending that you get into trading or invest your actual real money. Alright, because trading is an extremely risky and unpredictable activity, guys. If you want to trade, please make sure you do it based entirely on your own careful judgment and thorough analysis, and rely on your own abilities, okay? Now, if this current candle manages to completely engulf and close above this previous candle, then we can make a strategic decision to execute a trade in the upward direction, guys, okay? But we have to be very careful because there is a significant and critical price level right here that we need to watch closely. If the market price action completely engulfs this candle of ours, then we can look to execute an upward move here. Otherwise, I will go for the downward direction, guys. Why? Because there is no such resistance or support level in the market here. There is no level here. This is our level 1. So I think there is a higher probability of a green candle forming here. Let's see what happens here. So guys, I have just placed a trade right here for the downward direction. A red candle has actually formed here, which I really did not expect. I didn't think a red candle could form in this spot. This red candle is very much like a doji type red candle. It doesn't really have much of a body, but it is technically a red candle, so we can consider it as a red candle for our analysis. And this specific point could be our level 1. So the accuracy at that level won't be very high right now. I think the market can even break through that level because the overall trend in the market is moving downward, or at least the minor trend is showing that. And the overall trend, the massive trend, is also downward. So looking at the chart, this specific level is not actually that strong right now. Because of that, we can consider our next move. Okay, so you can see right here, guys, it is turning into a very profitable trade for us. You can clearly see for 3 to 10 different levels, the price actually closed above the line, but it remains a red candle, guys. Okay, so looking at the momentum, the market can still definitely go further down from here. So if I take a moment to consider our level 1 strategy, then we can definitely consider this specific level as a key point for our entry. If the market moves above this level, then we can take a downward trade. Okay, so I have placed 2 downward trades here, and I am about to place one more trade, guys. Why is that? Because the market needs to close properly and the candle needs to stay within our level. Okay guys, So let's just wait and see how it goes. The market should close below our level, so that's why this time I have executed a trade for a downward move. Let's see what happens right here, guys. Okay, so the long trade we took upwards was quite profitable, but luckily, so now what we can do, okay guys, so right here, are our trades managed properly by the stop loss? Let's take a closer look at the current market setup. Okay, now let's take a quick look and check this pair. Okay, we can consider this. This is a level. And this is also okay. So on the next candle, I will place a sell trade for a downward price movement here. If the candle does not clearly give a breakout to the upside, there is a high chance that it could break out here because the overall trend is upward. So I will take a trade for a okay guys, so I have placed a trade here for an upward move. So it is becoming since it is a red candle forming right now, our key level could be located around this specific area. I believe there was a strong seller's zone right here, and that is exactly why the market is starting to come back down. Alright guys, so I have just placed a live trade here for a potential downward move. This was mainly because I didn't specifically consider this horizontal level or the overall trend line, but I did carefully consider the individual candles. If we look at the price action as per the candles right now, we can clearly see a strong downtrend happening in the market. And if we also consider the level, then the market is poised to touch that particular level. If I move this a little further down, okay, so this can be a valid level because this level is touched right here and over here. Usually we have to connect most of the touches. According to these multiple touches, if we look at it, the market really wants to touch that particular level so it can easily create a red candle. Let's see. It is clearly becoming a solid red candle now. Okay, so it's definitely turning red. And now we are finally seeing that we are profitable with this specific trade. Okay, once again, I am going to modify the chart. This right here represents a price level. And this is also another key level. The market is pulling back now. If the market makes a slight greenish movement, then I will take a trade for a downward direction. If the market goes up a little, then let's check in Cardano. The system that's running in Cardano is that when the market is making a reddish movement, it's making a reddish movement, and when it's making a greenish movement, it's making a greenish movement. Alright, so we will take advantage of it. So guys, I have placed 2 trades here for an upward move. Now let me explain to you the advantage of this. So whenever the market is falling, it's falling. If it has to move upward, it moves upward, and if it's moving upward, it's moving upward. It's fine as long as there isn't any level nearby. It's not like it's always moving upward. If there is no level nearby, then it's moving, that's fine. If there is a level nearby, then it can also form a red candle. If it's fine in the middle of green, then this is our level. And I honestly think a green candle should form here. And if we look at it according to the consolidation that's currently happening, then the market can even break this level. Let's see guys, it's not that this is a particularly strong candle, so it's not certain at all that this will become our red candle. It could happen, anything can happen. Actually, absolutely anything is possible in trading, and whenever we trade, we should always know that anything can happen, guys. And guys, I want to tell you, I'm not a final financial advisor. This is not any kind of financial advice either. And if you want to trade, then do your own thorough research. I am not recommending at all that you should trade. Alright, because trading is very risky. Guys, you should only trade when you feel that you can truly afford it, then it's fine. You can also lose here. A lot of people can lose a significant amount here, guys, so that's all. In this video, I hope, guys, please like the video channel. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Bye-bye.